Hi, welcome to MBTV, and we bring to you a fresh episode of This Week in Property. Today in our panel, we are having with us Mr. Sameer Bansal. He's President Sales and CRM of Total Environment. Sunny Katyal, he's Director Investors Clinic. Rashmi Deshpande, she's Advocate High Court of Karnataka and a real estate specialist. Manvendra Saraswat, he is a real estate broker. Welcome to you, Jashi. She is the editor-in-chief of MBTV, and she's the one who will be moderating this show. Over to you, Jashi, now.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, everybody, for joining. We've come with a very interesting deal in the market, and we are trying to understand the ins and outs of it. There are a lot of consumers who have bought houses earlier, who maybe they're staying in it, they want to swap, and that's where Sameer comes in. They want to upgrade, they want to better houses. There are people whose houses are stuck for various reasons. They have invested in a house, haven't got their houses. They would like to exit that and buy something that they can live in. And that's where Sunny comes in. And Manvendra works in the Greater Noida region. Again, consumers who are stuck with houses, is there any way it can come unstuck? Can they give it to, swap it for something better, something complete, something that they can stay in? And this is the mood of the market. After the lockdown especially, we have seen that consumers want, a lot of end users are back. Our sentiment index is showing that from last quarter to this quarter, there has been a bump up in the consumer sentiments. More people are willing to buy. Almost 97% of our respondents said that 3 to 6 months, maximum 9 months, they are thinking of buying houses. So what is the swap deals all about? Sameer, would you like to tell us how this whole idea took shape with you?
Okay, so thank you, Jayashree, for inviting us first of all. And let me just differentiate in a word called swap and an upgrade. We never thought of swap per se, but having said, I entered real estate in 2010. Before that, I was in different industries. I worked in IT, I worked in nuclear medicine, which are very, very different field from real estate. And I used to be based on certain assignments in Canada, US, Switzerland, across. And being an NRI at that point of time, it always used to haunt, like, how will you transact back home? So the initial idea of service started from what happens to the customer who've invested in a particular city, but now because of the job, because of the business, because of the dynamics, they're moved out of that place. So we said, okay, let's try to give the service to any of the Total Environment customers in future. Now we are running this campaign called Make the Smart Move, where we inform the customer that, okay, we will help you sell your property. And you pay us only successful in selling your property. We are not putting a condition saying you give us any document of your property and we are taking your property in our name and transferring it to our name and you take our property. Right. That is where the technically swap comes in picture. So what we have done is we are just taking a 5% booking amount from the customer and we are telling our customers, sir, let's get into a 6 months of arrangement. We will not demand any further cash flows on the inventory that you have chosen with our company. Be it be a 1 crore home, be it be a 5 crore home, be it be a 10 crore penthouse. We will not demand anything, but that 5% is locked in with us so that we know that you are a serious buyer with us. If we are not able to sell, that 5% is 100% refunded to you. We are not in a business of interest, or we are not a bank, so we'll not be able to honor any kind of FD interest or any kind of banking interest on that 5%. But you do not have to pay any kind of fees to our partners who are helping us in this. Whenever you are buying our home, whenever you and also on your resale transaction. So today, as a consumer, you'll appreciate you have option to go to multiple channel partners. You have option to go to multiple portals, including Magic Bricks, to list your property. But you still have to go through that process of meeting the prospect, negotiating the price, and closure of a transaction. What we are saying is we will get a technical valuation done of your property upfront. We will give you a fair price of your property upfront. If you think that is a fair price, we will take a mandate to sell that property through our partners. And partner fees will be taken care by us. So we have kind of taken off the brokerage pressure from your side, which we will fund. We are not saying we are in a zero brokerage business. We will honor commitment of primary sale as well as secondary sale help to our partners. So it's like a double opportunity for our partners to work with us. They can earn in primary, they can earn in secondary as well.
And how many cities do you offer this service in?
How many?
How many cities do you, suppose I was in Pune and I'm coming to Bangalore.
Right.
Will I be able to swap if I'm in, say, Hyderabad and I come to
We
Bangalore?
are doing it across India in all the major metros and major cities or tier 2 cities. For example, we also evaluate, for example, I'll get a plot in say Ranchi and the customer wants to now buy in Bangalore. So I also need to evaluate whether my partners have RERA registration in Ranchi or not, whether I have to work to sell or not. And all those things are told to customer upfront. Customer is liable for the legal due diligence of their asset. We are not taking ownership of any kind of legal due diligence because it's your property. I do not want to get into whether it's an ancestral property, whether it's there are two brothers or three brothers who want to divide the share. We are not getting into it. It's a service which comes free of cost to our customers who are willing to upgrade their lifestyle to a total environment home and have been telling us in past, काश मेरा ये घर बिक जाता तो मैं आपका घर ले लेता, या मैं NRI हूं मुझे सर्विस मिल जाती तो मैं आपका घर ले लेता. I do not want to go through the hassle of multiple meetings and transaction. आप मुझे मिनिमम बता दो इतने में मेरा घर बिकवा दोगे तो मैं आपका घर ले लूंगा. So and to match it up, what we have done is, for example, if we are not able to sell this house in 6 months, one option is we'll refund your transaction. Two, you can also try to sell and get the buyer and pay us. Third, we have kept a clause saying, in case we are not able to sell and we want to match the price, we will match the price. So in no way we are telling you that if I have committed you a 2 crore as a home, I will tell you, sir, 1.99 ka bik raha hai, 1.99 aap de dijiye and take a haircut of 1 lakh. That 1 lakh will be to my cost. So if Total Environment has committed a word on paper to you that your home we will sell for 2 CR, either you will get 2 CR or we will with folded hand say, sorry sir, we were not able to sell. Here is your 5%. You can take it.
Great. I'm going to come back to you with a discussion, but I'll go to Sunny now. Sunny, you operate in the Delhi NCR a lot, a place that is fraught with problems in the market, right? There have been a lot of houses that have not been sold and consumers have been struggling for a while. Help me understand how you came up with the swap deal and what is the swap deal?
So basically, as Investors Clinic, we always try to build something which is not, for the for limited people. It should be for the complete market. So we were trying this for a couple of months, and we actually launched this in around a week back, called Mission Azadi, where this scheme will help everyone and anyone in the country. For example, step one, there are a lot of developers, those who have defaulted in last 10 years or 15 years or whosoever. So defaulted, there are multiple reasons also. I'll not name that इसमें सिर्फ सारा builder का गलती है, but there are a lot of reasons जिसकी वजह से delay हुआ. So we say that, okay, there is a unhealthy market between 5 to 10 lakh customers, those who are stuck. Again, I don't want to name those developers, but you know those names. Those who are maybe behind bars, they're out of the business, overnight flyers to international places. So they're out. Now, उन लोगों का क्या होगा? There are a lot of people जिनके loan चल रहे हैं. Then इसमें बहुत सारा ecosystem था where not only developer का हमारे साथ होना जरूरी था, उनसे handshake होना जरूरी था, but आज banks को भी panel पे लाना बहुत जरूरी था. So there are a couple of banks, those who are with us, those who are supporting the loan transfer process also. So for example, you bought a flat in Delhi NCR, wherever, and you picked up a 1 crore property and you paid 10 lakh from your pocket, and 20 lakh rupee loan is happening from last 7-8 years, you're paying EMIs. Now you are messed up and you don't want to continue that. I can shift from that property to a ready to move in property. I'll give you 20 options. And that to grade A developers in the country. companies like M3M, they are number one
How many
in
developers? M3M is one of them. How many developers do you, properties are you offering in the
so
space?
so right now with M3M only one product, with Mixon Group approximately 10 products, with Supertech 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 products, 6 or one, a couple of more is we are into the discussions, and Bhutani 2 product. So in totality, approximately we have 20 odd products for for the swapping thing. So it is not mandatory that they have to stick with Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, commercial, residential, anything.
But it's all in NCR.
Mostly on NCR, we started from our strength rather than going towards these spaces where we are not that stronger. Secondly, it is not only for the limited period or limited people for people those who are stuck in scrap product or something. It is for everyone. As Mr. Sameer said, there are a lot of people those who want to dispose of their property because the market is down. It is not getting through. There are a lot of people those who are getting involved. Then you have to go to a small site ka broker wahan par, and you don't feel great about going, and transactions is not happening. So I'll give you an example. One customer, as Mr. Sameer said, shifted from Bangalore, and he wanted to buy something in Noida because recently shifted his base from Bangalore. So I did that transaction. That Bangalore apartment he swapped with something bigger and better from a Noida property. I did that transaction. So it becomes so easy for any and every customer who wants to deal with us. Not only one project, they got 20 projects and 10 to 15 is in the pipeline, and this is the big game.
Okay.
And yeah.
Let's come back to the consumer. If a consumer has bought, say, a property in say 2010. Now I bought that property for, let me assume, 70 lakh. The notional value of that property was 70 lakh. What I have paid to the developer, let's assume, is about 40 lakh. Which means that my outflow has been 40 lakh plus the interest that I have paid to the banks. And today, when he comes to you, can he only pick up a property that is worth 70 lakh? Will the 40 lakh be adjusted, or the 40 lakh plus the interest? How does it work?
So we have to build a solution which should be win-win for everyone. For example, win-win for the first developer, for the second developer, for the bank, and obviously for multiple other people around. So the new developer, how we convinced him? We gave him multiple ideas. Okay, brother, I can get you 1,000 crore business within few months if you will solve my problem. That my customer is stuck and he wants to shift in. So I got 10 lakh such customers in the market. I can bring in a lot of business for you, man. So he said, okay, let's start. So the first important thing which we convinced him that, okay, reduce your profit or nullify your profit. Hold that profit into that property which I'm getting for you. There is a cost of borrowing because now the time is tough. Obviously, sales is not happening. You have to borrow funds from the market, and you have to pay interest 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, whatever percentage of the market. And you have to serve the possession. And you have to do the bridging thing. So उसमें आपका 10-12% of the project cost चला जाता है ब्याज में. Then I said, okay, I'm ready to cut my thing also. So अब जब वो हमारे पास एक bucket आ जाती है, then builder कहता, okay, I need at least 70% of the new money, 70, in some cases 60. So I have multiple arrangement with multiple developers where if you buy 100 rupee property, new property with me, I can take care of your 30 to 40% of your old property invested wherever. अगर वो चांद पे भी plot है तो भी ले लूंगा मैं. I'll not identify that no, it is a good developer, it is a bad developer, he ran away, he's behind bars. No. I'll take the money credited from your account to that account, or the market value, whichever is higher, which makes the customer feel great about, okay, he have invested. For example, your example only, ma'am. So you bought a property worth 70, paid 40. I'm saying buy a property worth around 1 crore or plus, 110 maybe. But the good part is, because that builder ran away, so आपका 40 लाख नहीं रह गया होगा, वो शायद 20-25 लाख ही रह गया है. and that too is not cashable कि you cannot go and buy and knock it that property and आपको 25 मिल जाएगा, वो stuck है. And कल अगर वो बनना भी शुरू हो जाता है by the help of government and multiple other departments in the country, then आपको 30 लाख और देना पड़ेगा वहां पर for a property which is not healthy and not useful for you. So this makes it so wonderful for everyone, for the market, कि ये एक पूरे अवाम के लिए, पूरी मार्केट के लिए, पूरी फर्टिलिटी के लिए एडवांटेज है.
यानी आप फिर से समझाइए. Let's stick with the subject with the same example. 70 लाख का प्रॉपर्टी 40 लाख दे चुकी हूँ. 2010 में खरीदा था, आज 2020 में वो प्रोजेक्ट अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. अब
जी.
आपके पास जब मैं आऊंगी 40 लाख में दे चुकी हूँ प्लस द इंटरेस्ट फॉर अबाउट 10 years now.
Okay, so now I don't know, interest, forget about that.
Okay.
First of all, okay. So now, first thing is, I'll get you 20 options, step number 1. So you have options to choose
Yeah.
as per your requirement. It is not, भाई साहब यही है, लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो I'm sorry है.
तो आपने मुझे
So,
दे दिए कि you can
मैंने
choose
आपको options दिए.
okay of
आपने choose किया, choose करने की win-win situation for a new developer is that there should be a new surplus for the new developer.
yeah,
Otherwise, वो builder क्यों करेगा?
right.
ठीक है?
No, I
और
understand
अगर
logic. Let's take
so
the
70 so 40 लाख का प्रॉपर्टी मैंने शिफ्ट किया, आपने 1 करोड़ 10 लाख से 1 करोड़ 20 लाख रुपए का नया प्रॉपर्टी ले लिया. ठीक है, आपने अपनी पसंद से चूज किया. नाउ 40 लाख रुपीस आपने नई प्रॉपर्टी के लिए आपने बुकिंग अमाउंट दे दिया, 5-10% whatever money, एंड जो भी आपने 40 लाख रुपीस दिया था, I'll shift that money and I'll give you a receipt of that amount in this property.
तो जो 40 लाख मैंने पे किया है वो 40 लाख इस प्रोजेक्ट में आ गया.
Absolutely. Now there are different projects with different payment plan.
Yeah.
Some projects they are ready, but
Yeah.
even if they're ready, we are giving payment plan from 9 to 12 months.
Okay.
So that the customer have an advantage, man. Okay, this product is ready. Still, these guys are saying, okay, pay in 9 months.
Okay.
Or most of the project is pre-leased. If I'm selling a commercial, then I'm saying a pre-leased. Because उन्हें ऐसा ना लगे, अच्छा मैं तो फंस गया, there's no rental, man. Now there's a maintenance on my head. So we created those beautiful deals which nobody can say no to.
Okay. So which means now let me see whether I've understood you correctly. The 40 lakhs that I've paid out of the 70 lakhs comes into the new property. I can move into the new property, but the new property that has to be of a value of at least 1 crore.
Absolutely.
Is that the benchmark, 1 crore?
So there are different developers with different multiple. So between 2.25 to 3.7. So every developer says, okay, I'm ready with this multiple. So that is a variation. So around 3 times का multiple, यानी कि आपको 2/3 new money लेके आना पड़ेगा, मोटा-मोटा समझने के लिए.
1.2 करोड़ का होना चाहिए नया प्रॉपर्टी. अगर मैंने 20 लाख पे किया था तो 60 लाख का तो होना ही है नया प्रॉपर्टी.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, 3 times multiple is what the consumer
Yes, because there should be a win-win for all. The new developer says, I'll become a sequel of that particular developer जिसका मैं shift कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मैं भी मर जाऊंगा. I need 70% or 60% of the new money to survive and to deliver.
Right, right. I'm going to go to Manvendra. Manvendra works in the Greater Noida area. Manvendra, आपका swap deal क्या है?
Sorry, ma'am.
आपका swap deal क्या है? आप deal क्या देते हैं consumer को?
अभी हम लोग पहले मैं सर के साथ काम किया है इन्वेस्टर क्लिनिक में, मैंने लास्ट 7 मंथ काम किया है, और अभी हम लोग फिलहाल में जो रीसेल वगैरह पे फोकस ज्यादा है.
नहीं, अगर मेरे पास एक प्रॉपर्टी है जहां जो फंसा हुआ है, क्या आप मुझे नए उसके अगेंस्ट एक नया प्रॉपर्टी देते हैं?
जी मैम.
कैसे देते हैं? आपका डील क्या है?
3 टाइम्स का मल्टीपल रहता है. जो भी अमाउंट स्टक पेमेंट प्रॉपर्टी लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी में गया हुआ है उसका मल्टीपल 3 करके देते हैं उसको.
और कितने प्रॉपर्टीज हैं? जैसे सनी ने बताया कि इनके पास ऑलमोस्ट 60 प्रॉपर्टीज का बुके है. आपके
मैम मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, आईसी से मेरे सीनियर थे गौरव सैनी जी, आई थिंक सर जानते भी हैं उनको, अमन सर की टीम से हैं.
नाम मत लीजिए, मुझे खाली प्रॉपर्टीज की बात.
तो वही या तो इन्वेस्टर क्लिनिक के थ्रू करते हैं, मिक्सन ग्रुप के थ्रू करते हैं.
मिक्सन के थ्रू या इन्वेस्टर्स क्लिनिक के थ्रू?
जी मैम.
तो बेसिकली सेम डील है. आप या तो इनको चैनल करते हैं, आप मार्केट से डील्स लाते हैं और या तो इन्वेस्टर्स क्लिनिक को देते हैं या मिक्सिंग को देते हैं.
जी मैम.
I'm going to come to Rashmi Deshpande. Rashmi, there are consumers who are held up with various kinds of problems. The one is the kind of problem that Sameer articulated. Sameer said that somebody in the IT sector or very mobile workforce, which moves from city to city, bought in Pune, lived in it for, let's assume, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, has moved to Bangalore, wants to buy a property, and Sameer's deal with them is, you put your property, we'll value it in the next 6 months, we'll help you liquidate that property, and you have to pay only 5%. The other category of people is people who have either wanted to upgrade, like Sunny Katyal said, people who either want to upgrade from whatever they have because they feel that this is a good time to enter a new property, or the people who are stuck with projects which are not moving. Now, take us through that legality of what all does a consumer have to look for.
Yeah, thanks, Jayashree, for getting me on
Rashmi, I can say
this panel. So, firstly, of that the title to the property is clear, right? So, what we understand from the swap deals that are currently available in the market. Yeah, am I audible now?
yes, you are. Yes, you
are. Yeah. So, firstly, the consumer will have to ensure that the title to the property is clear. Now coming to the first example where you already own a property and you would want to upgrade or buy another property in a different city. Now there are legalities with respect to transfer of the property. Firstly, in the place where you own the property, it will be a different transaction. It is not as simple as two parties deciding to exchange a property. Now you will it also depends on a lot of variables. You will have to find a buyer for your property at a price which is acceptable to you, and then you will have to be ready to invest in the new property, which again has to go through the entire due diligence process. And if one wants to take a loan, that also has to be cleared. So, and if it is a property which is under construction, the purchaser will have to ensure that it is RERA compliant. And we have also seen instances where a customer may have booked a property in an under construction project, gone through the entire legal process and ensured clear title. But if that project is stuck, or if the customer changes his mind, wants to upgrade to a different project, or for whatever reason wants to move to another project, we have seen developers offering various options here as well. But again, if you are moving from a RERA
Rashmi,
a project, you will have to ensure that the project which is under construction is also RERA compliant.
Okay.
And
right. I'm going to stop there and say that Sameer, I think Rashmi is raising some valid issues, and I would like you to respond to those. One is that when you are in another city, if I've got what you said right, what you are planning to do is tie up with local agents, so that that deal, the due diligence process and so on, you are getting parties that you can trust, and you are taking the pain of liquidating that property away from the consumer. Am I right?
So let me just rephrase it a bit.
Yeah.
So on your panel, there are like two very different set of deals.
Absolutely.
Right? So I'll give an analogy. Now there is a basket which is out of our reach, and it has two apples. One is a good apple, one is a bad apple.
Yeah.
But both are out of reach.
Yeah.
So one set of customers are who are stuck,
yeah,
or so-called bad apple. They're carrying a bad apple on their books, but not able to liquidate because now it is out of their reach. Either the developer has gone defunct, matter is stuck, construction is delayed, like Sunny Bhai told. So that is the solution what Investor Clinic has catered or kind of is catering to.
Yeah.
So all the people who are kind of stuck somewhere in terms of their properties not being completed, or they're paying loans for long terms, like you've narrated an example of 2010 to 2020. And Noida, you can say like many people with JP or many people with other developers will be stuck in that mode because of the NCLT issues going on.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, go
And
on.
the second is a good apple. People own the asset. Asset is good.
Yeah.
But they do not have either the time, they
Yeah.
do not have mindset or energy, or they do not have thought over to sell it off. Who are the fence sitters for for a product of total environment? We are trying to reach to our fence sitters saying, sir, you own a decent asset. We are not saying that you own a bad asset.
Yeah.
You do not have time, we will help you.
Yeah.
You do not have channel, we will provide you. You do not want to pay brokerage, we will pay for you.
Yeah.
If you upgrade your lifestyle to our home.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now that could be Bangalore guy upgrading to Bangalore.
Yeah.
It could be Pune guy upgrading to Bangalore. We have projects in Bangalore, Pune, and Hyderabad. So in either of the three cities, if anybody is coming to buy our home, we are offering this service as a complimentary service.
Okay. Okay.
And there is no limit of 3x, 2x, or 1x. So even if the property is of 5 crore today,
Yeah.
we prefer that you buy something of 5 CR from us.
Yeah.
Because we are putting effort to get you 5 crore of liquidity.
Yeah.
We expect that liquidity to come to us.
Fine. And is there a banker involved in this transaction?
No, all our projects are RERA certified. All our projects are bank approved. So if the customer wants to buy so they are two different transactions. We are not merging the two transactions. You are buying total environment home at its price, at its location point, at the choice. If you have the choice, you can choose in Whitefield, you can choose in Hennur.
समीर भाई, एक क्वेश्चन था समीर भाई, फॉर एग्जांपल पहला फ्लैट घर उसने जो लिया हुआ है वो 1 करोड़ का है, उस पे 70 लाख का लोन चल रहा है,
राइट.
एंड अगर वो आपसे 1.5 करोड़ का प्रॉपर्टी ले रहा है तो आप क्या नया लोन एलिजिबिलिटी यूज करोगे और यू विल ट्रांसफर द लोन ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी?
मैं उसका पहले 1.5 करोड़ का मेरा घर लिया तो कस्टमर विल पे मी 5%.
पहले बेचोगे ही और उसके बाद उसका लोन बंद हो जाएगा और फिर आपका नया लोन लेगा.
कंज्यूमर 5% देगा, राइट?
नहीं, वो मैं समझ गया. नहीं, मैं समझ गया.
मेरे पास मेरा ब्लॉक हो गया, मैंने पेमेंट प्लान ये बना दिया जिसमें टर्म शीट में मेरे ये लिखा होगा ऑन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दैट आई विल नॉट डिमांड टिल द टाइम आई सेल योर सेकंड होम.
Yeah.
Now the moment we have sold the second home, it is a transaction. Total environment books are not involved at all.
Yeah.
Your money of second home will go to yourself.
Yeah.
So I am
And
finding a buyer with the help of Investor Clinic in this example for it. And you will help me find the resale transaction.
मैंने अभी पता है क्या लिखा है टू डू लिस्ट में, जैसे पीछे सारा टू डू लिस्ट लगता है, मैंने सबसे पहली चीज के फोन रखते हैं आपसे कनेक्ट करना है मुझे. And you will start doing it, in Dubai, Singapore, and everywhere.
Finish the show before you strike a deal. So what he's doing is he's linking with local transactors.
So we have the partner network across. We have the direct marketing network.
Yes.
And
So
we have existing
so
customers.
what I do is what we do is a bit different from here.
One minute.
Obviously,
Sunny, 1 minute. Let me conclude this conversation because
sorry, yeah.
I think what we are saying is Rashmi picked up one thread, and like Sameer said, this is about the good apples. This is about somebody who has a project in some place, has lived in it. There's no problem with the project. It's just that he's either wants to upgrade or he wants to move to a different city. He's part of the mobile workforce. So that's the deal. Two things I need to understand here is, one is that there is a transaction cost that happens when you sell, right?
Yes.
You have to conclude that transaction, finish it, and then come back to you. Which means that if I've taken a loan of say 70 lakh, the same question that Sunny asked, I take a loan of 70 lakh, I have bought that house, I return the loan or I close that loan.
No.
Do I do that?
I am finding a new buyer to you.
Yeah.
That new buyer will take a loan and it is a normal balance transfer.
Yes. Okay.
It is like age-old traditional resale. I have found a buyer. Now the buyer can pay out of his pocket. Buyer can go for a new bank loan.
Okay.
And he will pay to your bank. He will pay the balance to you.
And you take that money and transfer buy
that money has to come to us.
Yeah.
Once it has been received by the customer. If customer decides to back out Once we have done the hard work, then we have the right to forfeit the money of that 5%. And we will also apply a holding charge. We are doing a free service, but we do not want to be taken for a free ride.
Okay. Now
Very utmost attempt to give a genuine service,
Yeah.
but we do not want to be taken for a free ride.
and the past transaction is not on the total environment books.
Legal title ownership. The ownership of proving that the title is fair is on the customer who's trying to come and book with us and wants us to give the service. We are not doing legal due diligence.
One question, Sameer bhai, if you are getting 100 such case studies, how many you are approving to go through, where you like the property and you're okay? Assumingly, if you receive 100 case studies.
So, Sunny bhai, it's all about the sellability of the project that the person is bringing to us.
So the only percentage which I just want to
So I'll give
understand.
you in last 1.5 months, I'll give you hard data. We've generated roughly around 10,000 odd queries.
Okay.
Okay. Out of 10,000 queries, around 3,000 to 3,500 are people in my opportunity pipeline.
Okay.
6,000 doesn't want to sell now. They've understood the scheme. They want to come later, or they do not like the location or the price point, or the budget doesn't match, or XYZ reason for my property. Out of those 3,000 odd people, our internal target is to make a market of roughly around 500 to 1,000 crore per annum out of this product.
Okay. And what is the ticket size you have? Around a crore?
2.5 crore, 3 crores.
Oh, 3 crores ticket size.
So we are operating in 1 crore to 10 crore segment. My average size is around 3 crores.
Yeah.
And these are most of my clientele. More than 50% of my clientele is the NRIs.
Cool.
And people who have invested earlier in other cities who want to liquidate that and move into a total environment.
So we are exchanging plot. We are helping them sell plots. We are helping them
You
sell
take international property also, Dubai, Singapore.
Nice.
Can I handle the show, please? You can talk with him. Your deals are offline, not online. Rashmi, I'm going to come back to you. Now, clearly what Sameer is doing is, he has a project. There are many consumers who've come to him and said that I have a property which I would like to liquidate and upgrade to a total environment project. These are new projects and they are allowing them to do this. Help me understand, is there anything that the consumer needs to understand? Here, the question of a weak title does not exist. The RERA approval is in place in the new project. And also remember that the previous project, unless they show that the titles are clear, total environment is not going to get into this deal. Am I right, Sameer?
Yes.
Okay.
So ownership of legal due diligence is on the customer. And if the ownership is faulty, we have put a clause upfront saying that we will forfeit your money to kind of misguide us.
Oh, fair.
Okay.
Now, help me understand, is there anything that consumer needs to understand in this case?
Yeah. So the risk that I see in these kind of transactions is, you are liquidating an asset which was ready and which you were living in as a customer, right? And you are investing in a project which is under construction. Now, if this new project which you have invested in gets delayed or stalled, or for any reason, the customer is not able to get the services that he was promised. So what are the recourse that a customer will have? What is the safety that a developer is providing to the customer? These are issues that will have to be looked into.
Right. Sameer,
Now you have
under construction.
Can I answer that?
Sameer, are you offering under construction or completed units?
So can I answer? Yeah, I'll answer.
now, if as a customer I have liquidated my asset on the promise that a new project will be ready in 2 years, but it is taking say 3 years or 4 years. So what is the, apart from the remedy that RERA provides or going to a consumer court, etc. So what is the additional precaution that a builder will provide?
Sure. So let me answer it in 2 parts. First, we are offering it on ready to move in also and under construction also.
Okay.
And my under construction projects age from structure ready projects to a Bare Shell project where we just done the groundbreaking now.
Okay.
So customer has a choice from 4-year delivery to ready to move in. Point number one. Point number two, the majority of these customers who are coming to us are not selling their existing home.
Yeah.
We are a company, so Total Environment is an aspirational product. It's an aspirational brand. So we mostly have people who are buying home for second or third time in their home. We are very few first home buyers in our books.
Okay.
So most of these people are those who have purchased the property and are currently not utilizing it, and they are either rented out or they're lying idle, and they want to consolidate. So consolidation is the keyword which we are kind of targeting. NRIs is a second keyword which I'm targeting.
Yeah.
Right. And now it is as good as buying my property independently. I am selling an under construction project. Now somebody comes in, enters into an agreement, and we are bound by RERA laws. Whatever ramifications and remedies available to customer under RERA is available in this offer as well. There is nothing extra, there is nothing less. Now it's a customer's call whether they trust a brand like Total Environment, which has been in industry for 25 years, and people see our product, and once they see our product, I can bet you it's very difficult to buy something else. So I'd like to invite all the panelists to come down and have an experience tour once, and probably you'll have your own version of Total Environment.
And I'm going to
We're
ask.
the only company who customizes the home to the last T. So there are more than 9.2 million options to customize, right from flooring to door to window to the room size. It's like building your own home within a community.
Is there an option? You were talking about consolidation. Is there an option for consumers to liquidate two homes and purchase one?
Ideally, we'll not prefer that, but we will give you free service to sell two homes, even if you're booking one home. But on document, I will tie myself up to selling of one home.
Fair enough. So your deal is for one home, but if the second one also, you will give me the service.
Even to my existing customers who are staying with us already and not looking for upgrade, we have a vertical called TE Value, and we are the only developer who provide them all these kind of services at a minimal cost there. In this part, this is inbuilt and this is not charged to the consumer.
Sure, fair. I understand this. I'm going to come to the second part, and here, Rashmi, I'm going to use your services a lot more because this is a market that is actually the one with the rotten apples. We are talking about the NCR region, and we're talking about a lot of consumers who had more or less given up hope. I think what Sunny has done is given them fresh hope, right? If that project was not, I just cannot find any way of exiting that. He's saying here's one way of exiting that. Now, there is let's assume developer A who sold me a unit. I'll again take that 70 lakh example. The house I bought in 2010 should have cost me 70 lakh. I have already paid 40 lakh. And now after 10 years, I haven't got my house. I go to Sunny Katyal and I say that, look, this is my house. He says that if you've paid 40 lakh, you have to purchase a house of 1.2 crore. So that this is 1/3 of the amount that is coming to him. Right, Sunny? Have I got it right?
Absolutely.
Right. Now here, the issue is that the previous project that I have is not really, may be viable, may not be viable. Does that matter? Let me first ask Sunny. Sunny, does it matter that project A was viable, which means that it is cash flow positive, even though it is stuck, or that it's any project that I come from?
It is, look, so when we were creating this Mission Azadi concept, we wanted to make it a concept which is like, it should look like a McDonald's burger, which is exactly the same everywhere. You should not get confused while ordering, or you know, it is not very particular about ye acha developer hai, bura developer hai, iska to pata hi nahi hai, acha main jaake pata karunga. So we don't want it, because look, we want to build something for the masses. We want to transact 10,000 transactions in like couple of months. So we want to help maximum people, and we know the number is so big. So the idea was not to, you know, say that your product is good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. that has a litigation or a developer exists, or it is a good property, doesn't matter. The product which I'm offering is at a market price. So for example, again, I'll throw an example of M3M. They just launched a 3D campaign in Gurgaon. The product which I am selling, they're selling in 3D campaign also. It is exactly the same. So the person who had paid 10 years back,
I would not be able to get that unit at lower market value than what you are offering. Sunny, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. You look for a couple of percentage, like market is very competitive, I cannot guarantee like कि नहीं मैं 100 की चीज 98 में या 102 में या it is very case to case, very conditional, a lot of dependent on negotiations also. But yes, I'm saying these prices are fixed. It is there in the market. They were selling at the same price from last couple of months. So the customer, where the developer is gone way back. For example, take your example only, ma'am. And look, I'm not saying that I'll be able to help 10 lakh people or 20 lakh people. I'm not God. But I'm saying out of those people, those who have deep pockets and they have surplus money and they can buy more, they can help themselves. That's the catch.
Now, Rashmi, here is an offer that is a ray of hope for people whose projects are held up, are stuck, and they have not been able to come out. And a lot of them are now facing problems because it's 10 years. Many of them are not bankable. They may have are closer to retirement age, cannot raise so many resources. All kinds of problems are there. So help me understand, what are the few things that you would advise them?
Yeah. So here, the advantage that I see here is that, yes, like you rightly said, there is a ray of hope for the consumer, and he can actually see that, there is a property that he is likely going to get. But there are the downside to it is that he will have to possibly forego two aspects. One is the interest that he has paid on the amount that he has already invested in the property which went bust. Secondly, if he has any claim against the previous developer, like say I have filed a consumer complaint, or I have gone to the NCLT or whatever. So the catch here will be is that, as the carrot is dangled, I will be expected to withdraw all the complaints and give a clean chit to the errant developer and invest in the new project.
1 minute.
Can I say something on this?
Yeah, please.
For example, there are two kind of customers, ma'am.
Yeah.
Customer number one, so he want a solution to the problem.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but going to the court, which is always the best thing to do, but it takes time. It delays your time to buy a house. There is a chance that, okay, you will make some money out of the penalty and all that stuff. But most of the developers, they're on NCLT, there's no juice in the business. And most of the developers, most of such situations, there's no such case जहां पर लोगों को पैसा ब्याज के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ मिल गया हो. लेकिन ऐसे cases भी हैं where NCLT or NBCC, they are in the picture now, and now they have to develop them. And now the court says that customer have to pay the complete payment till possession. जो उन्हें आना है वो भी time पर नहीं दिया तो problem हो जाएगा तुम्हें. तो यहाँ पर client who is not convinced for the particular product, and now the pricing is also shut down. ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ 7-8 साल में कि prices abnormally बढ़ गया हो, कि किसी ने नोएडा में 5,000 रुपए के रेट में घर लिया और अब 10,000 रुपए हो गया हो. So I'm ready to fight this situation. Okay, मेरे पे 5,000 में रखा हुआ है, मैं तो 10,000 रुपए फुट में अब क्यों खरीदूंगा. तो रियल एस्टेट के प्राइसिंग भी abnormally 5-7-8 साल में इतना नहीं बढ़ा इधर. So it is always an advantage to shift to a new product, because litigations में आने से उनको कोई solution ऐसा नहीं है जो आज कल परसों या 6 महीने या साल में होता हुआ दिख रहा है.
Okay, 1 minute. Now I'm going to summarize what both of you have said. One is that Rashmi has called out that if you have paid the interest over the last 10 years, that interest you will forfeit. That is right? That interest kahin adjust nahi hota hai?
I will not forfeit, but this is a win-win for the first developer also, that there is a litigation which is going off, and he's also helping in the
कंज्यूमर के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करो. जिस कंज्यूमर ने 10 साल इंटरेस्ट दिया है, वो इंटरेस्ट कहीं पे अकाउंट नहीं है. The
No.
second thing is what she's raised is that if you were thinking of getting a penalty from the developer for delay, वो penalty भी आप forfeit कर रहे हैं, but you are putting the switch off and saying that now whatever I paid, that much is what is being transferred, right?
Or the market value, whichever is higher.
Or the market value, whichever is higher. This is probably because that's not much, like Sunny said, the market has been very stagnant. Market prices have either come down a notch or two. They haven't really gone up.
But ma'am, what we're discussing is only about bad apples, as Samir bhai said. They're good apples also.
Yes, I'm going to come.
So,
I'm going to come.
yes, ma'am.
I'm going to come to that because actually, Sunny, remember that out of my consumers, if you look at the kind of queries that are coming in, there is a lot of bad apples out there. There are many, many questions. It's there for all of us to see. But the point is that what Sunny is offering is, one is for people who are stuck. Their projects are not complete. Developers are not there, or it is going to take time. Maybe, if it's gone to NCLT, if you are the last in the queue in that NCLT, the resolution, you will have to wait till a lot of other projects finish, and in that time you continue to pay your interest. So here he's offering that you stop the clock there, you bring the project to me, and I will give you a unit that is ready to move in. Is it all ready to move in, Sunny?
So mostly, ma'am, because there are a lot of customers, those who are not ready and comfortable to pay the top-up amount.
Yeah.
So we have to bring in a couple of projects which has a 2 to 3 year possession, but now possession 3 saal mein, but we bought that product with 5 to 6 year payment plan.
Right.
Even after the possession, you pay for next 2 to 3 years for the product. So to give a confidence to the customer,
If
you
that
should not feel, yeah.
if that project that I'm buying from you, if that gets does not keep its timelines, whose responsibility would that be?
So look, that's the reason we picked up one of the best developers in recent times, or the ready to move in projects. So there are only 2 developers where we are selling a under construction, which is M3M, their most beautiful product on 150-meter road, Broadway. And the other project which we are doing is with Bhutani, their Grantham.
Okay, but
Because
mostly what you've done is you've picked up
in
complete
rest, everything is ready to move in, ma'am.
ready to move in.
And
So,
the biggest thing, ma'am, which I'm saying is I transfer loan also.
Yeah.
So क्या होता है जब मान लीजिए आपने 50 लाख का घर लिया था, आपने 5 लाख जेब से दिया, 15 to 20 lakh rupee you have taken a loan from any bank.
Right.
Now you don't have a capacity to close that loan because a service class person 15-20 लाख कहाँ से arrange करे और वो loan close करे, there are lot more on the head. I will transfer the loan also.
okay,
और आपकी loan eligibility extra भी use नहीं होगी. And
okay.
this is the most beautiful thing, ma'am.
But you must have the capacity to take a higher loan because it has to be 3
So-
times the amount.
So, ma'am, abhi aap notice kariye, 90% of the projects which is not doing well or scrapped or unhealthy in nature, you will see that hardly 20 to 40% payment is done. So, for example, we take a example of 50 to 60 lakh rupee property
There are a lot
where
of
client have paid 15 to 25 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
So for them, they have to upgrade to 75 lakh rupee property in 10 years.
Yeah.
That is not a pain, ma'am, actually.
But for somebody who's paid 95% of the money, that is a very large percentage of consumers who have come on my shows. For them, if you've bought a house worth say 1 crore, you paid 95 lakhs, and now you have to pay 3 times the amount. Is there some leeway for people like that?
So what we do is there are 2 kind of product. Again, I'll say that a healthy one or a unhealthy one. So we don't differentiate between the 2, but yes, specifically, we are getting certain queries that, okay, I got a property which is like movable like this.
Yeah.
So I see and closely watch that. As Mr. Samir said, we try to take a market value. We are also brokers and pretty good in the market. So we see, okay, I'll be able to transact within 3 months. So I go to the developer and say, okay, no problem. This is as good as a liquidate thing. There is no need of multiple. But yes, for a scrapped or an unhealthy product which is not doing great, you have to go at least the same multiple, which is mandatory. And as I said, there are very limited inventories with these developers. क्या है, हम इन लोगों के साथ बहुत अच्छा रेगुलर काम करते हैं, एंड वी ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, सो वी रिक्वेस्टेड देम, किसी से आप एक फ्लोर प्लेट लिया है, किसी के साथ 100 फ्लैट का कमिटमेंट है, किसी से 50 का है, तो इन 20 प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसा नहीं है पूरे के पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसे सेल कर सकता हूँ. There are few flats in every society and every project which we have picked up from them on our goodwill. कि यार हम बोल रहे हैं हम थोड़ा सा fresh भी काम करेंगे, so the average out gonna be good. So this is the thing, ma'am.
I'm going to come back to Rashmi. Rashmi, you've heard the deal. Help us understand, go through that and see what else should the consumer think of.
Yeah. So while I understand, this product is sought to be offered as a win-win situation for both sides, but the one disadvantage the consumer may face is the bargaining power on the price point. Now, there is already a threshold fixed of 3x. Now, what I understand from the discussion is that it will be 3x of the amount which is already invested. Like you said, there are customers, we are aware of instances in NCR where developers have collected upfront of say 80% of the total
Yes.
cost from the customers. So these are the customers who will be at a greater disadvantage because you will have to invest 3x of the amount that has already been invested. Now here we are also overlooking one significant segment of the customers who could be senior citizens. People who were in the 40s or 50s, who may have invested in projects say 10 years back, may now be at the threshold of retirement and wanting to sort of downsize and live in a smaller apartment. They may not want a 4 BHK apartment anymore. So these are the kind of customers who will actually be stuck because one, you cannot negotiate on the price. You will be compelled to go for a larger, project or a project which is offering a similar kind of a apartment at a 3x price. So the second disadvantage.
Yeah, it's a specific
that a customer choice of a new project which he may want to go into is limited. So you will have to choose from out of the bouquet that the investor or the developer is now offering.
Right. I'm going to take this back to Sunny, and Sunny, I'd like you to respond.
Yes, I just wanted to say a couple of things on this, ma'am. Step number one, there are 20 projects already as a bouquet, and there are 10 to 15 products which is in the pipeline, which we'll add up further. So they got plenty of options available. Point number two, whom I can help. It's a big number. And I would say I'm doing a job of a fireman. जहाँ building में आग लगी है, nobody, I'm sorry, I don't want to name, nobody in the country is able to help and helped anywhere. We created a solution where we will definitely able to help thousands of people for sure, maybe a lakh. But yes, मैं सबको लोगों को नहीं help कर सकता. So ये भी सच है इसका.
मानवेंद्र, मैं आपके पास आऊंगी. जब एक कंज्यूमर आपके पास आता है, आप भी इन्वेस्टर्स क्लिनिक के साथ डील करते हैं, तो ऐसे क्या है जो आप ऑफर करते हैं? क्यों वो डायरेक्टली सनी के पास क्यों नहीं जाएगा, आपके थ्रू क्यों आएगा?
मैम, काफी क्लाइंट्स जो लोकल मार्केट में हैं या फिर हम लोग खुद कॉलिंग करते हैं, तो वो क्लाइंट्स अपने पास आते हैं. वैसे बेसिकली इन्वेस्टर क्लिनिक्स के पास ही डील्स ज्यादा होती हैं.
ठीक है. अब रश्मि जी ने कहा कि ऐसे भी क्लाइंट हैं जो मान लीजिए 10-15 साल पहले घर खरीदा था, वो खत्म नहीं हुआ, अब बच्चे चले गए हैं, उनके पास पैसा कम है, वो बड़े घर से छोटा घर लेना चाहते हैं. यहाँ पे आप छोटे घर से बड़ा घर लेने में आप फैसिलिटेट करते हैं, मगर बड़े से छोटे में कोई भी अभी हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है. क्या आपके पास इसका सोल्यूशन है?
नहीं मैम.
ठीक है. So for those, I would say that for those of you who are looking to downsize or who are saying that today my payment capacity is less, you will have to wait for more solutions to come in the market. What I see, why did I call Sameer and why did I call Sunny Katyal? Because I feel that there are two distinct threads of solutions that are coming, and these were problems that were festering in the market for a long time. In Sameer's case, it's not that I was stuck with a project. It was that I had a unit, which could be in a different city, which could be old, which could be something that I don't want today. I want to consolidate and want to buy into a unit that is of choice. That is of my choice. And I have been waiting because I was not able to liquidate, not because that product was not that it could not be liquidated, but because I did not have the propensity to go and negotiate with the market, find the right price, figure out what is the price and sell. So here is a group which is saying, I will help you sell your other unit. Give me a 6-month window. And in that 6-month window, I'll help you sell. And now I'll bring it back to you can invest in a premium unit. And there is no question about it. Samir is not saying that I'll give you small units, big units, medium units. He's saying we are a premium aspirational brand, and what you have to come for is a premium aspirational brand at a premium aspirational price. They're not cutting any corners anywhere for a consumer. What they're helping you do is create the seed money by selling an old unit. For Sunny Katyal, what he in the market that he's working in, there is a lot of consumers who are saying that by hook or by crook, can I somehow exit an investment that is not performing for me, that cannot perform for various reasons? So like Rashmi said, please understand that there are a few pointers that you have to remember. The interest amount that you have paid may not come back to you. There is no way that anybody is going to take that, because that is a somewhat a dead payment. The second thing that you have to see is that there is no negotiating power. The prices that have been put on the table are the ones at which you're swapping. But the thing is that there is a large bouquet of products from which you can choose. And Sunny is saying only 2 projects are under construction. Most of them are ready to move in, which means that you can exit one and move into the other, and you're giving a window of 1 or 1.5 years, right, Sunny?
A window of 1.5 years means what, ma'am?
You're giving a payment option of 1.5 years.
Yes. There are a couple of cases where we are, the product is ready and we are structuring for a payment plan of almost 9 months.
Right. Sunny, there is also one more category of people, and here I'm going to bring you into that. People who stay in older parts of the city. It could be that you have an ancestral property which you want to liquidate and share.
Of that also.
So if one property is sold and there are 3 children, for instance, the father is deceased, you sell that property and it's a large sum of money, but they would like to invest it into 3 units because there are 3 children. Do you facilitate that as well?
Absolutely, ma'am. So for example, in a product which is not organized, we go for a market value. The valuators in the market, they charge some XYZ fee. They evaluate the market as per the banking norms and they give you a pricing. For example, pricing came around 1 crore. Then they can buy not only 3, they can buy 30 properties also within that price if they want to buy something. So that's not an issue, ma'am.
Okay. Rashmi, when you sell an ancestral property, let's assume that my father has passed on and we are, say, 3 siblings, and we want to sell that property and now liquidate and buy 3 new properties. What is the philosophy on that?
Yeah, so once an ancestral property is sold, and the money goes to the hands of the legal heirs or the current owner, so each one will be free to do what they want with their share of the consideration that they have received. Yes, if they want to invest jointly again, they will have to go through the whole, there may be certain tax issues, etc., which the investor will have to consider, and that will be applicable irrespective of whether, they invest the money or they just decide to hold on to that amount, whatever. Right. So if they want to invest jointly, yes, there will have to be a joint sale deed which will be done, and again it will be continue to be treated as a joint family property. Now there is nothing that the seller will have to take care here. It is more for the purchaser who will have to address how they want to hold the ownership and how they would want to pass it on to their next generation. But if they want to invest separately, say 3 different units, then each of that will be treated as a separate transaction.
And actually this is a program that should spell a lot of hope to a lot of people, and I thought that is why I'm picking this up. If you guys have can hold on for another 5 minutes, I'd like to run through the queries that have come, and if you could address them, please, all three of you. What should a prospective home buyer check before venturing into such schemes? I think we've addressed that. Will I have to pay a higher price in the scheme than the price I had already paid and agreed to pay for my existing property? It's got nothing to do with what you agreed to pay there, right, Sunny? It's a question of how much you have paid already.
Absolutely, ma'am. Because that becomes again a debatable issue. No, this is not worth this much. So whatever amount you're paid, that resolves the complete solution, the complete problem of the situation.
There's Dilip Kumar who says, is this service available in Kanpur and Lucknow? Do you offer this?
Anywhere. So we offer this service in Moon also. So I have no issues.
Except that you come back and buy in the NCR.
So if you buy out of these 20 properties, I can, buy, from anywhere.
आप चांद पे भी बेच सकते हैं, सनी कटियाल आपको हेल्प करेंगे, मगर जब आप खरीदेंगे आप दिल्ली एनसीआर में ही खरीदेंगे. Most of the projects are in the Delhi NCR, right?
Yes, but we are working on a couple of solutions in Delhi, outside Delhi NCR also. So we'll come back soon for that.
कानपुर और लखनऊ में अगर आपका प्रॉपर्टी है, बेचने में तो हेल्प कर सकते हैं, वहां पे खरीदने में अभी नए डील्स स्ट्राइक हो रहे हैं. मानवेंद्र, आपका लखनऊ कानपुर में कोई हेल्प है?
No, ma'am.
Then there is looking forward to dispose my properties in Kanpur and Lucknow and to acquire a property in Bengaluru. I think it's a combination of Sunny Katyal and
yes. No, we are coming up with one project in Bengaluru. So maybe in next 10 to 15 days we'll come back with the solution maybe.
Right. अगर आपके पास ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप जरूर इसको रेज करते रहें, क्योंकि I think both the developers as well as the agencies like Investors Clinic are figuring out this is a new service and they're figuring out where the demand is. And अगर आप कानपुर या लखनऊ में बेच के बेंगलुरु में खरीदना चाहते हैं, there is another 2 weeks में सनी कटियाल आपके लिए एक और स्कीम लेके आने वाले हैं. My relative has a flat in a project which is stuck for more than 2 years now, but he is paying the EMI. So in this swap deal, will his money get adjusted? पैसा adjust हो जाएगा? Sunny, what
हो जाएगा, ma'am.
Was in a subvention deal? जितना पैसा किया है वही लेंगे आप?
Yes, ma'am. So for example, you picked up a property worth 50 lakhs, you paid 5, you picked up a loan of 40 lakhs, but loan disbursed 25 lakhs.
Yes.
So 25 plus 5. So we will take a 30 lakh rupee paid to the developer. So we'll take that amount only. So that's not an issue, ma'am. And a lot of cases where customer picked up in subvention, we are going back to the developer, trying to settle them that you said subvention. So maybe in certain cases, we got succeeded in terms of taking that subvention amount paid by the customer for a couple of months. So we try to recover that also. And I'll give you a couple of good news. You will hear that in the newspaper and maybe in the news also. We have proposed a couple of solution and resolution plan to the authorities also for a couple of projects, where we are settling 5,000-6,000 customers from one developer to another developer in a single shot. So there are a couple of such transactions which is on the card. Maybe you will get a couple of good news in this week or so.
That takes me to the next question that consumers have asked. Do these schemes come under the purview of RERA? Who will protect home buyers' rights in case of violations of promises? Is RERA applicable in these swap deals?
Yes, absolutely. In my case, yes. Because new property you're buying, as said by Sameer Bhai also, it is the project which is already under RERA, and whatever agreement and things which these guys are signing, it is under RERA. They cannot, act funny in any kind of, in any process.
So whatever is being picked up, जो भी project उठाया जा रहा है, ये RERA approved projects हैं, RERA के purview में रहेगा. मानवेंद्र, आप जो deals दे रहे हैं consumers को, उसका जो ट्रांजैक्शन है आप उनको सिर्फ इन्वेस्टर्स क्लिनिक या मिक्सन ले जाते हैं, वही आपका रोल है या डील भी आपके साथ?
वही 2 लोन मैम।
ठीक है. Then what benefit will these intermediaries get by buying stuck and stalled projects? Now that's something that I would also like to know. When you pick up, let's assume that you get 100 units from a project where the developer has gone missing. And how transparent will these deals be? Any specific eligibility required to avail of this deal? Eligibility, he has spoken about. Transparency, he has said this is the process. It will be RERA registered. Rashmi, is there anything else that you have to look for?
Yeah, like you have rightly pointed out, yes, title will be an important issue. And of course, there are these hidden costs that a consumer will be exposed to. But again, like Sunny said, this is not a product for everyone. It is for people who may have some surplus money and who would want to rather see some, light at the end of the tunnel and would want a house in which they can live in or which they can sort of stay invested in, and not for the ones who may not have that kind of deep pockets. Yes, so these are the hidden costs that a consumer will have to factor in.
There is Ravi who's saying, I have a commercial property, a shop in Crossings Republic. Can I hand over that property or to Investor Clinic and get a residential property by paying the additional amount? Can you swap
Absolutely.
a property?
Absolutely. Right away. Right away.
That is possible, Ravi, so you can look at it. There is Shilpi who says new price will be high and I have paid rent and EMI for 8 years. Now this amount will be adjusted? No. This what you've paid as rent and what you've paid as interest is not going to be adjusted, right?
I'm sorry. Yeah, no, not possible.
It's not possible. That is why you want to exit that project. I don't think that is going to be adjusted anywhere. Are property swap deals really worth the money and safe from the buyer's perspective? Ravi, that is what we had asked Rashmi Deshpande, and she says that she has spelled out what all you have to look for. And what Sunny is saying is that this will be under the purview of RERA. The swap deal will be under the purview of RERA. The new project will be under the purview of RERA. The same thing goes with you, Samir, right? When they buy, they also are RERA approved projects, right?
So we have to live in this country by the law of the land. So like every developer has to have a RERA approved project to go to the market now. So and our transactions are 2 different transactions. So we are just contingent. We are making cash flows contingent. That okay, if we are able to sell your asset, then you pay us. We are nowhere saying that we are taking your asset and you pay us 3x or 2x or 1x or half x. So whatever is fair value of your asset, we are trying to get you your fair value, which is pre-decided. We are not going to a negotiation table to a consumer and saying, okay, now we will tell you the price. The price is discussed upfront, basis our research, basis the help of our partners, basis a proper technical valuation, which consumer has to get it done to show that yes, the property exists. There is a technical valuation, and this is a fair valuation report. We have tied up on a pan-India basis with our partners to get a proper technical valuation report. A copy comes to us, a copy goes to our consumer.
But if anyone,
that copy, we tell, sir, your technical valuation. Sorry.
If anyone has a stuck project, there you don't deal with it.
No, if anybody has a stuck project and he's not telling us, in technical valuation, it comes out that it is stuck project.
But
we say we are not taking it.
Project, do you entertain? For instance, I bought with JP, and now I've been transferred to Bangalore. Would you help me liquidate a JP?
I will tie up with Sunny to help me sell JP, and I'll take that money out.
Done, sir.
But I will not sign on to it.
Okay.
Jayashree, if I can just add something here.
Yes.
So the way we look at it is now the consumer will be dealing with 3 parties, right? In a swap deal. So one is the existing developer where he had invested money and he is stuck.
Yeah.
So second will be an investor, who is sort of like an investor clinic who is sort of trying to play the intermediary and help bail the customer out by finding a new developer. And then third will be the new developer that you will be sort of buying your property from. So while we are looking at RERA compliance, one, you will forego the claims which you have against your existing developers. And if you have any new claim against your new developer, yes, that will be as per the provisions of RERA, assuming that it is RERA registered. But the investors area here seems to be in sort of the gray area in terms of protecting the consumer right. So the consumer has to bear in mind that he cannot go have any claim against the intermediary.
There is a question from Deepak. How will home loan get transferred to the new developer? Will my bank do my and properties due diligence before these transactions? Sunny, I think you should explain this once more because it is something that...
This is, yes. I always wanted to clarify this. So क्या होता है मैम, फॉर एग्जांपल सनी कत्याल या एक क्लाइंट की एक सैलरी है जिससे उसकी आईटीआर से उसकी लिमिट पता लगती है, उसे लोन कितना मिल सकता है. मान लेते हैं उसको लोन मिल सकता है 40 लाख रुपए का और उसने 50 लाख की प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी थी, 5 लाख जेब से दिया, 40 लाख का लोन लेके डिसबर्स कराया और डिसबर्स 15-20 लाख हो चुका है. अब क्या होता है, जब उसने नई प्रॉपर्टी चूज करने गया तो अब उसकी लोन एलिजिबिलिटी हो गई है 40 लाख से 70 लाख रुपया. लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं होगा. जब आप लोन लेते हैं, मान लीजिए आपने कार लोन लिया या घर का लोन लिया और आप दूसरा लोन लेते हैं, तो आपकी टोटल लोन एलिजिबिलिटी माइनस लोन ऑलरेडी टेकन माइनस कर दिया जाता है और आपको रिमेनिंग का लोन मिलता है. मेरे वाले केस में ऐसा नहीं होगा. आपको टोटल लोन एलिजिबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी नई प्रॉपर्टी पे लोन हो जाएगा. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. आपका पुराना लोन जो है वो हम बंद करा रहे हैं डेवलपर के साथ करके. हम उस अमाउंट को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, हम उस बैंक पे जाते हैं जो आपका फर्स्ट बैंकर था, उसे पैसा देते हैं और लोन क्लोज कराते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी लोन फ्री करते हैं, नई प्रॉपर्टी पे लोन होता है. सो ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस है लोन ट्रांसफर केसेस के लिए. रामबाण है एंड नोबडी कैन डू बेटर देन दिस, वेयर द बैंक्स आर आल्सो ऑन पैनल. हम आपका लोन बंद करा रहे हैं, लिक्विडिटी अरेंज कर रहे हैं. तो कंप्लीट सिस्टम को हम लोगों ने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली मैनेज किया है मैम.
किसी भी बैंक से?
किसी भी बैंक से मैम.
What kind of charges occur to home buyers who opt for swap deals? Rashmi, here you may want to address this.
No charge, no nothing.
Yeah. So, if the home buyer has already incurred, say, stamp duty and registration cost on a previous apartment, now that will not be adjusted when you do a swap. So there will
Delhi
be
NCR में नहीं होता मैम एक्चुअली. तो ये ज्यादा नॉर्थ इंडिया के हैं.
legal and statutory charges which go for a new property.
आप पहले अगर आपने रजिस्टर, एक्चुअली दिल्ली एनसीआर में पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होता था जब तक प्रॉपर्टी खत्म नहीं हो जाती, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट यू आर सेइंग सनी?
यस मैम, अभी भी नहीं होता. सो इसलिए कोई टेंशन नहीं है उसका कि उन्हें ऐसा कोई अमाउंट नहीं है. एंड वी आर whatever amount they have paid, even including the service tax, we are considering that amount.
And the last question, are these swap deals available in Pune and Mumbai area? Samir, you said you have a swap, you have your...
Swapan Bagh. So there is an area in Pune in the heart of the city, Swapan Bagh, which is like 20 minutes from the airport. So we have a project which is upcoming there. And if somebody is interested, the scheme of Make the Smart Move is available for them. And we are open to take help them sell their property in any part of the country.
Sunny, any prospects of going to Pune and Mumbai?
So Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, these are the three markets we are trying. And yes, we are working hard. We will try to resolve and bring a couple of options there.
He promises that next 2 weeks he has something up his sleeve for Bangalore. Pune and Mumbai, they are talking about. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in. This was a very important issue, and I feel that going by the number of queries that we've received, there does seem to be a lot of interest in this entire issue. This is one of the first deals that has come through. But I feel that it was very important to have Rashmi Deshpande here, who also helps you understand that while you go for deals, it's important to understand the ins and outs of the legalities of the entire issue. And be a wise investor. Don't go because your neighbor's grandfather told you to go. If you're buying something, buy because you have done your own research. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you, Sunny.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Manvinder. Thanks, Jayshree ji. Thanks, Samir bhai.